Hello students, our today's topic is interest on partner's capital. As you know, interest on capital is allowed to compensate a partner for contributing their capital to the firm. It is allowed on the opening balance of partner's capital. Suppose closing balance is given, you need to convert your closing capital into opening capital and then interest on capital will be calculated on that amount. So today we are going to discuss some provisions relating to interest on capital. Here you can see 3 cases. So let's discuss all the cases in detail. First is when the partnership deed does not exist or partnership deed does not provide for interest on capital. What will be the accounting treatment? In this condition, interest on capital is not allowed. Yes, we have already discussed this earlier. When there is no partnership deed, okay, or if partnership deed does not provide for interest on capital, agreement में interest on capital के लिए कोई clause नहीं है, in that condition interest on capital is not allowed. Case number 2, when the partnership deed provides for interest on capital but is silent on whether interest is a charge or appropriation. See, in this condition interest on capital is given in partnership deed, but ये mention नहीं है whether to treat interest on capital as a charge or appropriation. Okay, so in this condition interest on capital is accounted as appropriation. ठीक है, ऐसे कंडीशन पे जहां पे बताया नहीं गया है वेदर टू ट्रीट दिस एज चार्ज और एप्रोप्रिएशन, आप इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल को एप्रोप्रिएशन मानोगे. ओके, एंड यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ एप्रोप्रिएशन, इट इज ओनली अलाउड एट द टाइम ऑफ प्रॉफिट्स. ओके, जब सफिशिएंट प्रॉफिट होगा, हमारे पास प्रॉफिट्स है, उस कंडीशन पे ही हम इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल प्रोवाइड करेंगे if it is accounted as appropriation. Okay, so there are 3 conditions under this. In case of loss, it is not allowed. Just अभी हमने डिस्कस किया, जब इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल एप्रोप्रिएशन ट्रीट करोगे, एप्रोप्रिएशन तभी होता है जब हमारे पास प्रॉफिट है. अब प्रॉफिट से नहीं है तो हम इंटरेस्ट कहाँ से देंगे? सो इन केस ऑफ लॉस IOC not allowed. Okay, second condition is if profit is equal to or more than interest on capital. Okay, profits आपके पास sufficient है, okay, या तो IOC के equal है या IOC से ज्यादा है. इस condition पे क्या करना है? IOC allowed at the agreed rate. Okay, whatever interest rate is given, in that particular rate will distribute interest on capital because we have sufficient profits. Third, if profit is less than interest on capital. Okay, इस कंडीशन पे क्या करना है? सपोज इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, योर टोटल इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल वी आर गेटिंग 5000 और हमारे पास प्रॉफिट है 3000. तो इस कंडीशन पे आप क्या करोगे? IOC इज अलाउड टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट. जितना हमारे पास प्रॉफिट है, ओके, उतना ही आप इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल दे सकते हो. सपोज इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल हियर इज 5000 टोटल हमारा आ रहा है एंड जो प्रॉफिट है हमारे पास इट इज 3000. सो इन दिस कंडीशन इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल विल बी गिवन आउट ऑफ दिस 3000. ठीक है, ये 3000 में से मिलेगा, 5000 हम नहीं देंगे. ओके, नाउ केस नंबर 3, when the partnership deed provides for interest on capital as a charge. As I already told you the difference between charge and appropriation. Charge, if interest on capital is treated as a charge, no matter the firm is getting profit or loss, it has to be paid off, it has to be given. Okay, चार्ज अगर क्वेश्चन में बोला है कोई भी चीज, तो आपको वो चीज एज इट इज देनी ही है, चाहे आपके पास सफिशिएंट प्रॉफिट्स हो या ना हो, लॉस हो, यू हैव टू पे इट ऑफ। एप्रोप्रिएशन हम तभी देते हैं इफ वी हैव sufficient profits, but charge in case of profit or loss, it needs to be paid off. So here in case number 3, interest on capital is allowed whether the firm has earned profit or has incurred loss. Okay. Now let's solve one question which covers all the cases which we have discussed now. See here, two partners are there, X and Y. Profit sharing ratio 2:3, capitals rupees 2 lakhs and rupees 1 lakh respectively. Here I am reading out case number 1. If partnership deed does not provide for interest on capital and the profit for the year is rupees 20,000. Okay. So this was just case number 1. If partnership deed is silent or does not provide for interest on capital, it is not allowed. Yes, so in this condition, interest on capital is not allowed to partners. Simply we distribute this profit in their profit sharing ratio. See here, profit and loss appropriation account. Credit side, it is written by profit and loss account 20,000, and debit side you will write to profit transferred to X capital account, Y's capital account. Profit sharing ratio is 2:3. So 20,000 का 2/5 is 8,000 and 3/5 of 20,000 is 12,000, which is distributed between the partners. Case number 2. If partnership deed provides for interest on capital at the rate of 6% per annum and loss for the year is rupees 15,000. See, partnership deed provides interest on capital. Okay, agreement है partnership deed में about interest on capital, but it is not mentioned whether to treat this as charge or as an appropriation. So in this condition, what I told you, if nothing is mentioned whether it is charge or appropriation, we consider interest on capital as an appropriation. Okay, appropriation का मतलब क्या होता है? It is not allowed in case of loss. Here we got loss of 15,000. Okay, and हम interest को appropriation treat कर रहे हैं. It means interest on capital is not allowed. So because we have loss in the question, we have prepared profit and loss account, not appropriation. Okay, profit and loss account बनाएंगे हम, क्योंकि profits हमारे पास है ही नहीं distribute करने के लिए. For that purpose, this account has been made. This loss written debit side as 2 losses, 15,000. Now you need to distribute this loss between X and Y in their profit sharing ratio. So credit side you will write by net loss transferred to X capital, Y's capital. 2/5 of 15,000 is 6,000. 3/5 of 15,000 is 9,000. Okay, outer column 15,000 and close the account. Now, case number 3. If partnership deed provides for interest on capital at the rate of 6% per annum and the profit for the year is rupees 21,000. Again, it is not mentioned whether to treat this as charge or appropriation. So you will assume it as an appropriation. Okay. Now we have to see whether we have sufficient profits or not. For that purpose, first we will calculate the amount of interest on capital. See, their capitals are rupees 2 lakhs and 1 lakh. Rate of interest is 6%. So 6% of 2 lakh is 12,000 and 6% of 1 lakh is 6,000. Total interest is rupees 18,000. Okay. Now we'll see our profits. Profit हमारे पास 21,000 है. We have sufficient profit. So let's prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Credit side it is written by profit and loss account, this 21,000. Debit side you will write to interest on capital, X capital 12,000, just now we have calculated, Y is capital 6,000, outer column 18,000. Now after distribution of interest on capital, still we have 3,000 profit. Okay, see credit side total is 21,000, 18,000 interest भी दे दिया, उसके बाद भी 3,000 profit remaining है. This will be transferred to X capital account and Y's capital account in their profit sharing ratio. So 2/5 of 3,000 is 1,200. 3/5 of 3,000 is 1,800. Surplus balance we will write at the end 21,000 both the sides and close the account. Now case number 4. If partnership deed provides for interest on capital at the rate of 6% per annum and the profit for the year is rupees 20,000. This is just like your case number 3. Okay. Again we treat interest on capital as appropriation. Interest on capital just now we have calculated, it will remain same because interest rate is same here. 18,000 interest on capital and profit we have 20,000. Again we have sufficient profit. So you will prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Credit side by profit and loss account 20,000. Debit side to interest on capital X, Y 12,000 and 6,000. Outer column 18,000. Here divisible profit left 2,000. 20,000 minus 18,000. 2,000 we have profit which will be transferred to X capital account and Y's capital account. 2/5 of 2,000 800 and 3/5 of 2,000 is 1,200. Okay. See case number 5 now. If partnership deed provides for interest on capital at the rate of 6% per annum as a charge, see here it is mentioned interest on capital is to be treated as a charge on profit and the profit for the year is rupees 2,000. Students, if it is written interest on capital is to be treated as a charge, we need to allow interest on capital completely. Okay, जितना बोला गया है आप उतना पूरा allow करोगे. So here we have profits 2,000. In this condition I have prepared profit and loss account. Why so? Because there is no profit left, instead we are getting loss here. 2,000 ही हमारे पास प्रॉफिट है और चार्ज बोला है, मतलब आपको 18,000 पूरा इंटरेस्ट देना है. ओके अगर 18,000 रुपीज आप दोगे यू गेट लॉस हियर बिकॉज हमारे पास उतना प्रॉफिट है ही नहीं, आपके पास सिर्फ 2,000 प्रॉफिट है. सो 18,000 माइनस 2,000 16,000 का आपके पास लॉस आ गया है. सो इन दिस कंडीशन यू विल प्रिपेयर प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. Credit side it is written by profit before interest 2,000. Interest on capital आप पूरा दोगे because it is treated as a charge. For that it is written to interest on capital X capital Y's capital 12,000 6,000. Outer column 18,000. Okay. Here debit side is more, we are getting loss. This is divisible loss which will be transferred to X capital account and Y's capital account. Net loss is 16,000. 18,000 minus 2,000, 16,000 loss here which has been distributed in their profit sharing ratio. So 2/5 of 16,000 is 6,400 and 3/5 of 16,000 is 9,600. Outer column 16,000. Close with the surplus balance on both sides 18,000. Now here comes the last case. If partnership deed provides for interest on capital at the rate of 6% per annum and the profit for the year is rupees 3,000. See, here it is not mentioned whether charge or appropriation, so it is appropriation. Appropriation का मतलब है, see interest here we are getting 18,000. Okay. बट हमारे पास प्रॉफिट कितना है? वी हैव 3,000. वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन आवर केसेस when interest is treated as appropriation, interest on capital is to be given to the extent of available profits. जितना हमारे पास profit available है उसी extent तक आप IOC दे सकते हो. That means we cannot allow 18,000 interest. Instead, we can give them up to 3,000 only. Okay. So here profit and loss appropriation account, credit side it is written by profit and loss account 3,000. अब ये कैसे distribute करोगे? See, X interest on capital is 12,000. Okay, 2 lakh का 6% is 12,000. This is X interest on capital. Y's interest on capital is 6,000. ओके तो आपको प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं करना है इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर रेशियो आउट ऑफ दिस इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल अमाउंट. ओके, आप ये इंटरेस्ट जो इनका एक्चुअल है इसका एक रेशियो बनाओगे. सी हियर 12,000 इंटरेस्ट एक्स का है एंड वाइज इंटरेस्ट इज 6,000. मेक अ रेशियो आउट ऑफ दिस. सिंप्लीफाई. हियर 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay, so the ratio here is 2:1. Now you will distribute this amount, this 3,000 in this ratio 2:1. All right, understood? कभी भी अगर question में if interest on capital is treated as an appropriation and you don't have sufficient profit for that, it is distributed to the extent of profit, and in this condition you will make a ratio out of their interest on capital, their actual interest on capital. Okay, whatever appropriations they are getting उसका आपको एक रेशियो बनाना है. हियर यहाँ पे appropriations में सिर्फ interest on capital है. interest on capital दोनों का 12,000 6,000 है. we have made a ratio out of this, that is 2:1. now we will distribute this 3,000 only in 2:1 ratio. So here it is written to interest on capital, X capital, Y's capital account. 2/3 of 3,000 is 2,000 and 1/3 of 3,000 is 1,000. Close with surplus amount, that is 3,000 on both sides.